Hodler Airdrop, Gate.io Hodler Airdrop initial free offering test TRC and every had now been launched successfully on Gate.io. Subscription time 8 a.m. March 10 to March 12 UTC. You can hold minimum at least 1 GT token to unlock the airdrop. Airdrop amount 70,000 TRC. Trading start 12 p.m. on March 12 UTC. Claim airdrops now. Click on this button. Will redirect you to the Hodler airdrop sections. You can click on the article for more details. Gate.io will initially list Cirrus TRC and launch Hodler airdrop shares 2 million TRC for free. Gate.io will list Cirrus TRC and offer limited time Hodler airdrop. Users at least 1 GT token can share a 2 million TRC token for free. The Hodler airdrop is exclusively for GT holders. After the Cirrus TRC drop concludes, no funds will be deducted. Airdrops details: the claim period is 8 a.m. on March 10 to March 12 UTC 2025. So hurry up and don't miss the time and hold minimum at least 1 GT token and get your free airdrops. Trading start at 12 on March 12 UTC 2025. Trading paired will be TRC and USDT. About Terrace. Terrace is a next generation self-custodial crypto trading terminal and broker and the first platform to aggregate liquidity from 6 DEX market makers and OTC desks. Token ID here is available. We have and maximum supply is 1 billion token. Token distribution ratio and unlocking rules are available. Token symbol TRC. You can join here by just click simply on this button, join now button, and this will redirect you to the Hodler airdrop section. You will see here the TRC project already in progress. So hurry up and participate now. On the application, click on the launch pool and after that click on the Hodler airdrop section here and scroll up. You will see here the TRC project. Click simply on this initial free offering already in progress. You can stake your token. Events end in 14 hours. Total airdrop is 2 million. Participate 9,858. Increase GT balance. You can increase your GT asset through the following methods. The more GT you hold, the more share of airdrop you will receive. Highlight vision and data already available in trading will be start on 12 March. Here we have every already ended. You already missed every project. Total airdrop was 3,90,243. Total participant was 10,000 and auto claim was nil. In time already ended today on 11/3/2025. Every game is a Web3 powered gaming ecosystem that redefines plays ownership and engagement through blockchain technology. By integrating true assets ownership, players can freely trade in game items on decentralized marketplace. The platform leverage NFTs to provide unique. You can trade now on the pair of every USDT. The current price of one token is 0.03 USDT. Here you can purchase or sell your tokens here in this section on Gate.io officially.